Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this kind of cool, toned, colourful, mermaidy kind of look today. Trying to put as many words in that sentence as possible. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned. But yeah, I really enjoyed this look today. Just a heads up, I am ill, so in this video I'm not very hyped up, but I hope you forgive me. But yeah, I hope you don't find me too disgusting. Yeah guys, if you want to see how we got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to go in with my Carnival palette by bPerfect. And I'm going to go in with this wasted shade, the purple. I'm just popping that right into my crease. I've already applied some concealer. I used the Huda Beauty concealer and I haven't set it. And I have just put some tape there just to make sure I stay like sharp on the edges. So I look a bit crazy looking like this, but... So next I'm going to go in with Chant. It's more like a mauvey toned purple, a dusty purple. And just blending out those edges. I feel so poorly at the minute. Like, my hair just looks a mess. I feel gross, but I thought I'd do a video just to see if it made me feel better. Just to like look a bit more presentable. I think everyone's been getting ill at the minute. Everyone's like catching colds and everything, so I think it's just that time of the year now. And I thought I need to film a video because I don't know, I just enjoy doing it. And I thought it would make me feel better and like happier, so like I know I don't look happy, that's just because I feel like shit, so on the inside I'm happy. And then I'm going to go in with Mood. It's kind of like a really, really deep blue shade. And I'm just kind of putting that on the outer part of the eye. Oh, and I'm so excited, I just bought the P. Louise base. So excited to use those. I'm hoping they come by the time I film next week's video, and then I can like test them out, because I've also received the James Charles and Morphe palette, so I was hoping to use those two in like collaboration just to see how obviously the base does and then see how the James Charles palette works. So next I am just going to go in with some concealer and cut my crease, and I am just using my Huda Beauty concealer. So next I'm going to go in with these two shades here, Breezy and Moony. I'm going to kind of mix those two up. I'm just going to cut the other crease, you know, just so this eye doesn't feel left out, you know. I feel like I'm going to end up with like blue all over my face. Yep. How did I not see that coming? Let's just blend those edges together. So I am just going to go in with some glitter on top of that blue. So I'm going to go with Peaches and Cream MERMAID's pigment here. And I'm just going to use my NYX Glitter Glue to apply that. So I'm just applying some of that glue, applying some of that glitter on top. And the thing that I like about this glitter is because it's got sparkles of like pink, purple, blues in, whatever you choose to put on the bottom of it, so I've put a blue, is going to show off more blue. That's how the eyes are looking now. I'm quite happy with that actually. I'm just going to go and apply some eyeliner and lashes, and I will come right back. The lashes that I'll be using are the Violet Voss lashes in the style Vantress. Okay, so I've completed the eyes now. I'm now going to move on to the face. My skin has been so dry, and the only thing that I've been reaching to is this. I haven't bothered touching any other primer lately, just because the weather's like drying me out. I can't help it. And I'm sorry I sound I sound disgusting, let's be real, like I sound awful. But it's just a cold and, you know, I just got to man up kind of thing and get over it. Now I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty in the shade Angel Food, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in Classic Ivory, and I'm just going to mix those two up and apply that on my face. So I do a couple of these. I say a couple, that's like more than a couple, let's be real. Okay, so I'm going to cream contour just a little bit, just because I feel like I look hella white today. So I'm going to go in my Pro Conceal in Warm Sand. So I'm now going to go in my Huda Beauty concealer. This one's in the shade Whipped Cream. It's like practically white, which is perfect for my under eyes. So I'm then just going to go in my Lcey.Makeup powder and settle that into place. That's me all set in place. So I'm now just going to bronze the face using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Tan. Whoa. Okay, I'm looking bronze. Yep, definitely bronzed. But you know, we're living for it. So to contour my face, I'm gonna go in with my NYX contour palette, and the shade that I'm gonna use is this tone here, just because it is more on the cool tone, and these are really, really pigmented, so you don't want to go too crazy with them. Then I'm just going to contour the nose as well. For blush, I'm going to go with my Morphe 8W palette, and I'm just going to dip into these lighter shades here. Just going to clean up that contour line. So now we just need to finish off these eye bags. So I'm actually going to go back in with my bPerfect palette, and I want to go straight in with Chant and run that under the lash line. I am then just going to go in with Wasted and run that under there too. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of Mood, that deep blue shade, just on the outer part of the lower lash line. Then just going in with some lower lash mascara. And then to highlight the inner corners and brow bone, I am just going to go in my Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Ice Cold. So those are the eyes pretty much all finished now. I'm just going to wipe away this powder and apply my highlighter. I went for this highlighter just because it is like white and it's obviously cool toned, which is kind of the look that we're going for today, quite a cool toned kind of look. So I didn't want like a golden or champagne-y highlighter, really. Like I was going to go for a pink highlighter, and then I thought, no, just no. So now I just need to finish off the lips. Well, I need to start the lips and then finish them off, you know. I'm going with Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Bear. So now I'm going to go with Jeffree Star I'm Nude liquid lipstick. Now you could leave it here and keep your lips completely nude. I actually meant to say matte, so yeah. But my lips are crusty AF, so I need a bit of moisture back into my lips. So I'm going to go with my MAC Creme de Nude and just layer that on top. So I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Set and Mist. Right, and that, guys, is the finished look. Oh god, I look bold home. That, guys, is the finished look. Yeah, so this is the finished look here. I've kind of gone for, like, I don't know, like a mermaidy kind of look. But yeah, I just felt like playing with a bit more cool tones because I don't tend to use cool tones that often. So yeah, I just felt like playing with a bit of colour. Sorry, I'm like a delirious. I have no idea what I'm saying, what I'm doing. But yeah, this is the finished look and this is the eyes. Yeah, give this look a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below or even subscribe if you'd like to see a bit more of my looks, and stay tuned for next week because next week I'm gonna be playing with some new stuff, so kind of excited for that, not gonna lie. But yeah, guys, I hope you all have a nice day, and I hope you guys aren't sick like me right now because it does not feel very nice. I literally feel like I just want to crawl back into bed and just go sleep, but I can't. So yeah, guys, hope you all have a nice day, and until next time, guys, bye.